Well, as I sit here, I had to think of what I'm going to say that's different from what everyone else has already said. So I'm working on it. Let me pull it together here.
Okay.
I don't think actually we're going to be contributing anything singularly to cloud computing. I think what's happening is a very unique instance in time. I call it the industrial revolution of data.
Okay.
We finally have three things coming together, perfect storm. We have open data, which is being pushed out of this administration with a lot of vigor, freeing up structured and unstructured data to make it consumable by citizens, by developers, by entrepreneurs. That's a rich environment that we've not really had before. You combine that with these powerful analytical tools that are now being created by companies that enable us to digest, consume, cut information in fractions of seconds that used to take us overnight or weeks to cut through. And add to that this uncanny computing environment that we call cloud, which gives us this massive processing capability to consume the data. You have this perfect storm, I think, that creates a new value equation in government that we've not ever had before. We have, as you said, been focused on technology, or we've focused on information, or we've focused on policy, but this really creates a new environment for us where we can separate data, information, and content in ways that really add new value to what we are doing in government and how we're analyzing how well we're doing. So I think that's a huge shift. The other thing I would add is that I agree with Herb. I think we are creating an opportunity to create platforms for innovation, which we've not explored yet in the cloud environment. We are focused largely on infrastructure, on hosting, on software as a service. The platform space, I think, is the new frontier for us, where we can really create some synergies around how we package capabilities across the stacks that we manage in ways that create some enormous efficiencies and give us some computing power, again, that we didn't have before.
Fantastic.